Hi, I'm Eric Mintz with EM Squared, and we just got some great news. I heard recently that Microsoft is going to discontinue Edge, the Edge browser, and that should be great news for us as developers and for you as users, because for us, it means that the stuff that is newer in the technology is the kind of stuff that we can now use that Edge didn't support. So that makes things go faster. It means less bandwidth. It means that the applications are much quicker to respond. And it's less work, because right now what we have to do is we have to do those kind of things for real browsers like Chrome and Firefox, and then we have to write additional code for browsers like Edge so that they'll still work. So now that that's no longer going to be the case, you're going to see a lot of better websites, better web applications, because they can all use the newer technology they couldn't before. So what's going to happen to Edge users? Well, nothing really, because what's going to happen is Microsoft is going to take the Chrome browser and put their own branding on it, and not in any kind of sneaky way. They're talking about they're announcing they're going to do that, and that's going to be the browser of choice for Windows 10.